He received a strange Apple computer, the owner said. He didn't know when it started. But the computer's battery drained very quickly. So he sent it to him, asking for help to see what was wrong. He also wanted help to solve the problem of insufficient computer memory. After opening the back cover, the reason for the abnormal battery drain was found. Look at this swollen battery. If it could work properly, that would be strange. Luckily, this problem is easy to solve. Just replace the battery. If you notice abnormal battery drain during daily office work, it's best to have it checked at a repair shop. Because after the battery bulges, there's a high risk of fire and explosion. It's extremely dangerous. So much love. He cleaned the residual adhesive on the case. Love me. I read you. My go. I know you at all. Next, he took out a healthy battery. For the battery, he put it back in. For safety. After handling that, he removed the original small hard drive. Since it's a plug-and-play installation, it's very easy to replace. Finally, after cleaning the back cover, he put it back on. He tightened the screws and started the computer for testing. Now, not only has the hard drive capacity been upgraded to 1 GB, but the battery capacity has also been fully restored.